If you can hear my voice, let me know!
Chase? Yes, I can hear you! I'm in here! In here!
He's on the other side of those boulders.
Don't worry, Captain! Just sit tight, we'll have you out soon!
Alright, Rubble. Use your bulldozer to push those boulders out of the way so we can get inside that cavern.
Stand back, Captain Turbot! We're coming in!
Let's dig it!
Bubble is here to save the day. We're gonna push those boulders out of the way. Let's follow the map, search the rain. Follow the map, let our ball. Follow the map, next to tree. That's a wrap. Brave or free, we're off to find the treasure. We know where it's at.
Just to recap,
Hang on to your hat, we're gonna follow the map.
Today's gonna be Kyler only. He has no idea where he's going. Where are you going, dude?
Somewhere special.
Somewhere special.
I don't know where.
He has no idea.
Mommy! Can you tell me?
Nope.
Remy's off with a friend, and we are going to head off to this show that we're going to, which he's gonna love. The Paw Patrol live. He has no idea. Another beautiful day here in Oregon. All right, Kyler's gonna guess where we're going. What are you guessing, dude?
The palm trees that don't fall.
They don't fall? Or they don't crawl?
The big ones.
So wait, the big ones? What are you guessing?
The big horses.
The big Paw Patrol?
They don't fall.
How did you guess that? Where did you get that idea from?
I just know that.
You just know that? Well, I guess we'll just have to see when we get there. Is that your final guess? Mom, what do you have to say about that?
He watches it on YouTube all the time.
Yes, he does. Are you excited for whatever the surprise is? Yeah. Guys, we're here. There's the Moda Center. Here's where we're going. Veterans Coliseum. Kyler is ready, but he doesn't know. What are we doing, Kyler? He thinks he knows. He might know. Maybe he doesn't know. We'll have to see if he knows.
You jump up and down and show Daddy how excited you are. You jump really well with your feet together like that.
Dude, what do you think we're doing? You don't know still? Where are we at? Where are we at? I think we're gonna see. What do you think?
You still don't know?
No way. You guessed it. You guessed earlier pretty good. Let's see what you're holding up. What is this thing?
Treasure?
Treasure map for what? For Marshall? Okay, let's go see what we can find.
Let's go.
Here, Kyler.
Paw Patrol, we'll be there on the double.
Is that pretty cool? Kyler, come on in so we can show you what we're doing. What do you think, dude? It's pretty cool. You can sing with him too. Alright guys, it's intermission. How's the show so far, dude? Yeah, what do you think about it? Tell me. It's cool. Were you sad at first? Were you scared? Oh, you were sad just when we walked in?
Yeah.
Is it just really big in here? Was it kind of scary? It's not scary. Daddy's here, huh? Mommy's right here too.
Plus the Paw Patrol is here to protect you, huh?
Yeah.
Ryder
Mere
wouldn't
humdinger
let-
won't get you.
Ryder wouldn't let anything happen to you.
Let's all follow the map. Let's all follow the map. Let's all follow the map. the colors of the rainbow on it.
And this must be the place, Rainbow Tree.
What was that?
Was it a bird?
Or a monkey?
Achoo!
Whoa!
It made me sneeze. I think it's a kitten.
That's the end. Tyler, how was your first show, dude? Good? He freaked out a little bit. Yeah, tell me about it. What'd you do?
But and now I'm not crying now.
Nope, yep, you cried a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
It's okay, he cried just a little bit at the beginning. I didn't know if he was gonna make it or not. All right, let's check out your water bottle you got. Who does it have on it? Everybody? What characters did you just see? Who'd you just see on stage? But Kyler, who did you just see inside on stage? Who was just inside? Ryder, and who else? Rocky was in there? What about who's on your shirt?
Marshall.
Was Marshall in there? Who was the guest appearance?
Marshall.
Who's the one that came at the end?
Tracker? Tracker? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. I don't know what you guys could see inside or not. He loved it though. Didn't you, dude? Yeah.